Wade Sabers.
Hello, Saber fans. Welcome to Wade Sabers podcast. Nah, this one ain't gonna be that long. I wanted to show off this Gungi. This is a really cool hilt right here. So I designed a chassis for it and installed it with all the goodies. Just go through this really quick, guys. So I attached the chassis to the pommel. Nope, I've got to turn it upside down. See, I haven't done it enough. So this is what we have. I've attached it here with one set screw. Got your micro switch there. Oh, OLED screen. So, let's see. So you don't really need the hilt at all. You need is the chassis. Okay, that's not accurate. I've left this board programmed the way it was when I got it from my customer, and I did not mess with anything other than adding the OLED screen. And what else did I changed all of the blade styles to show the name of the font on the OLED screen. Other than that, it's exactly the way it was. And oh, it's got the groove is here for the plunger switch. Groove, this set's low enough. Groove, this set's low enough, and then it slides right into the micro switch. And then this lines up just right. So you got the lockdown button head. Makes it nice and solid.
Dooku, Anakin Skywalker, Darth Vader.
So yeah, it's got the one button setup. This has a 7-inch blade. 7-inch. It's got a 7/8" blade, and I do not have one set up right now. So yeah, no blade set up for this. Which means I can't test it and make sure the pogo pins work. But fortunately, I can. I'm just going to shove this into a different hilt that is 1 inch and test it that way. But anyway, yeah, that's the Gungi. Easy to pull out, which is nice to have that groove right there. And yeah, I mean, I think this chassis turned out great, and I'm probably going to put it on Etsy. So I've seen other chassis out there. I'm not going to show the chassis that was in this. I'm not going to go down that road. I do not want to cause any drama, but it was scary, very scary. So if people can get use out of this chassis, then I will definitely put it up there, and probably just the digital file. We'll see. But anyway, that is the install for the day, which actually took a week. So you guys have a good one.